Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create subscription products on Gumroad. So actually guys, first we will need to open up your favorite browser and then just go with gumroad.com website and then just sign in with your account to get forwarded to the dashboard. And now all you need to do is to go with the products option that's located at the left hand menu. It's the second option under the home section, and then just go with the new products or the button that's located at the top right corner of the website. So here I do really want you guys to go with membership. Okay, so the membership products are the way to create the subscription, and then you will need to fill in the title or the name. So just name your subscription, for example, monthly design, okay, like tool kit, and price, and here where you will need to set the recurring price. Okay, so you can go with a month, every 3 months, 6 months, a year, every 2 years. Okay, so I will go with a month to set an example, then I will do the $10. Okay, also for the currency you can change it just from here, and then just go with next to customize, and here where you can add a description. So here where you will need to explain what subscribers will get and how often, and you will need to add the cover image, and that's important, so just upload the logo or image that represents your subscription, and then just go with content here, and from here where you can upload files. Okay, so you can upload digital files like PDFs, videos, audio, and images, and exclusive updates or newsletter. Also you can use the drip content to release materials gradually and keep subscribers engaged. Then once finished, just go with publish and continue. So Gumroad generates a unique link for you or your subscription that you can share with potential subscribers. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.